Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Coros heart rate monitor with a Garmin device. First, ensure your Coros heart rate monitor is charged and powered on. Most Coros monitors use Bluetooth Low Energy or ANT+ for connectivity, which are widely supported by Garmin. Make sure your Garmin device is also powered on and ready to pair. This initial check is crucial for a smooth setup process, allowing both devices to communicate effectively right from the start. Next, navigate to the sensor menu on your Garmin device. This is typically found under the main settings or activity profiles. Select Add Sensor and then choose Heart Rate. Your Garmin device will then scan for available heart rate monitors. Once your Coros monitor appears in the list, select it to initiate the pairing. A confirmation message will usually display, indicating a successful connection, often within a few seconds. Once paired, your real-time heart rate data will be displayed directly on your Garmin screen during activities. External heart rate monitors, like your Coros, provide significantly more accurate readings than wrist-based sensors, especially during high-intensity workouts or activities with repetitive arm movements. This enhanced accuracy helps you train more effectively, staying within your target heart rate zones, such as 80% of your maximum heart rate for endurance or 90% for threshold training. If you encounter any issues, first check that your Coros heart rate monitor is properly positioned, typically around your chest or upper arm, ensuring good skin contact. Verify the battery level on your Coros device. A low battery can prevent connection. Also, try restarting both your Coros monitor and your Garmin device. Finally, ensure both devices have the latest firmware updates installed, as these often include connectivity improvements and bug fixes for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.